of kings, riding on the whisper of the breeze. King of kings, far yet nearer than the air we breathe. Yeah. Some bow down to gold and stone, some trust crown and throne, still their hearts feel all alone. Empty in the plenty, I sit quiet in the morning light, steam rising from the tea. Ask myself what's truly mine, what can never leave me. King of kings, rule my mind, teach my thoughts to walk in time with justice, mercy, truth intertwined. King of kings, rule my mind, King of kings, rule my heart. Wash my anger, pull it apart. Where your love and where do I start? King of kings, rule my heart. We praise names that time erased, carved in stone, the rain replaced. But a deeper law still holds this place, no chain can bind it. Man build border, flag and fight, argue over wrong and right, yet the same sun share its light on each and every island. King of kings, rule my mind, teach my thoughts to walk in time with justice, mercy, truth intertwined. King of kings, rule my mind, King of kings, rule my heart. Turn my prison into a park, break my pride with gentle love. King of kings, rule my heart. If I lose my name, if I lose my fame, who am I then? Who remains? Tell me now, if my past fall through and my plans fall too, are you still you? Are you still true? So I lay down all I claim, every title, every shade. In the silence, call your name, till your will and mine the same. King of kings, rule my mind, teach my thoughts to walk in time with justice, mercy, truth intertwined. King of kings, rule my mind, King of kings, rule my heart. From the sunrise to the dark, guide my step, direct my path. King of kings, rule my heart. Oh yeah, murder. Sunrise burning on the hillside, incense curling from a clay pan. Grandma humming on the back steps saying, child, remember where you stand. Babylon big with all its towers, paper palace made of sand. You can chase their gold and glitter, still your soul reach empty hand. So we chant to Mount Zion, heart clean, barefoot on the stone. Chant to Mount Zion, find the kingdom you already own. Every breath a little ladder, every word a stepping stone. We chant to Mount Zion, till love call every exile home. Hey. Teacher talking about the system, numbers marching across the wall, but the elders talking parables plant a deeper kind of call. Say, freedom never in the bargain, spirit never for themselves. If you trade your truth for comfort, you just buy a nicer jail. So we chant to Mount stepping stone, we chant to Mount Zion, till love call every exile home. Oh yeah, it's a long road, brethren, a long road, short life, but the journey tall. Every man a little temple, every sister is a wall. When you feel your courage tremble, when your knees start giving way, remember dust can hide the diamond, rain still know the thirsty clay. Whoa, we chant to Mount Zion, heart clean, barefoot on a stone. Chant to Mount Zion, find the kingdom you already own. Every breath a little ladder, every word a stepping stone. We chant to Mount Zion, till love call every exile home. Yeah. Sunrise a creeping over the mountain high, golden rays are streaking across the morning sky. Feel that ancient power rising from the earth, giving every living soul a brand new birth. Jah light shining bright, chase away the darkness, bringing pure insight. Jah light shining true, guiding me and guiding you. Babylon walls crumble down to dust and sand. Truth is a whispering across the promised land. See the blind man seeing, hear the deaf man sing. Love is the message, joy, the offering. Jah light shining bright, chase away the darkness, bringing pure insight. Jah light shining true, guiding me and guiding you. No more confusion, no more doubt inside. Only pure intentions, only love as guide. One heart, one purpose. Dust on the sandals, smoke from the cooking fire, endless dark in circles, flame inside their quiet. They say, child, time is a spiral, not a straight and shining line. Every fall is just a chapter in a taller, truer climb. The faithful rise, even when the ground's still shaking. Heart open, still awakening. Through every loss, through every borrowed lie, dust in we eyes, still the faithful rise. Oh, still the faithful rise. Oh, man build them tower high over hungry street, yet under the shadow, roots crack the concrete. truth? What is a chain on a soul that move? What is a wound when love learned to heal? What is the dark to a light revealed? Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh, oh. The faithful ride, even when the ground's still shaking. Right, heart open, still awakening. Through every loss, through every borrowed lie, dust in we eyes, still a faithful ride. Step by step, not by sight alone. Fire in the marrow, stronger than stone. When this world pass like a garment tried, ash fall down, still a faithful ride. Steam rise from the pot. Old man humming sounds, bare feet in the dusty yard. He say, life is a riddle, but love is the key. Open your hands, youth, let the blessing reach. Blessings from Jah fall like gentle rain. Wash away the worry, cool down the pain. Blessings from Jah, more than silver, more than gold. Fill up the empty, heal up the soul. Oh yeah. Youth man vex, say the system hard. Bills like mountains, faith feels small. I tell him, count what you carry, not just what you lack. Every clean breath is a treasure in your chest. Blessings from Jah fall like gentle rain. Wash away the worry, cool down the pain. Blessings from Jah, more than silver, more than gold. Fill up the empty, heal up the soul. Some pray for big house, some pray for big car. But what it profit a man if him lose who him are? Yeah, grateful in hunger, grateful in feast. Love is the altar, heart is the priest. Yeah. Blessings from Jah fall like gentle rain. Wash away the worry, cool down the pain. Blessings from Jah, more than silver, more than gold. Fill up the empty, heal up the soul. Yeah. Dawn break again, same old yard, same old pot, still same living God. Every new oh. Ancient stone in the river sand, name carved deep in a quiet hand. Before these borders, before these flags, there was breath, there was dust, there was man. Roots are baby in the red brown clay, travel in the blood, in the word we say. Not just a story in some old page, is a fire that refuses to fade. Roots of David running under every land, deep it still can fall. Wisdom laughs soft at their concrete crown. First more ripe seed bring them down. Lionheart never boast too loud. Walk lone, but he carry the crowd. In the hush of prayer, in the tear you hide, is the kingdom they can't crucify. Roots of David, running under every land, deeper than a nation's plan. Hey, roots of David, threaded through the shards of earth, older than our birth. So ancient, so sure. Ask yourself, who are you before your name? Before the stamp, the badge, the game. When you strip title, oh, take off pride. What remain is the holy inside. Roots of David, running under every land, deeper than a nation's plan. Hey, roots of David, sweating through the chants of earth, older Selassie a crown, King of kings, Jah Jah renowned. Love and truth gonna break every chain. Wash away the sorrow, wash away the pain.
Early morning, barefoot walking, red earth dust on my skin. Elders chanting ancient stories, say child look deep within. They point up where the hills are shining, past the smoke and the tin roof line. Not every high place is holy, learn to know the sign. Holy Mount Zion, higher than the stone and clay. Holy Mount Zion, heart clean, that the only way. Holy Mount Zion, love firm like a lion stay. Climb, climb, every truthful step I pray. Some build towers, glass and iron, still their spirit feels so small. Chasing shadows, chasing idols, hear the silence in their call. But the poor man sharing last bread, smiling, rich in things the world can't see. Say the mountain rise inside you, anywhere you set it free. Holy Mount Zion, higher than the stone and clay. Holy Mount Zion, heart clean, that the only way. Holy Mount Zion, love firm like a lion stay. Climb, climb, every truthful step I pray is a long road through valley of doubt and pride. When the storm load heavy, who you keep there by your side. If your mind judge, you will stumble in the night. If your mind love, even darkness carry light. Oh yeah, Holy Mount Zion, higher than the stone.
Sunrise slow over Zing Roof Town. Market man call, children run around. Still the same struggle, same long line. But I feel a quiet joy inside my mind. Old Rasta under the almond tree, reading ancient words so patiently. Say you look deeper than what you see. Dust on the surface, hide the majesty. Praise to Jah in the morning light. Praise to Jah through the darkest night. When the bread run low and the rent feel high, still I lift my heart and I praise Most High. Oh Jah, oh Jah. Politician talk with a silver tongue, promise every color to every young, but greed build house upon sinking sand. True plant roots in a humble man. He say, boy, your body is a borrowed code. Life is a river and you just a boat. Don't worship the wave when the wave will pass. Seek the ocean that forever lasts. Praise to Jah in the morning light. Praise to Jah through the darkest night. When the plan fall down and the dream run dry, still I lift my eyes and I praise Most High. Oh Jah, oh Jah. If you catch a cold. But if you measure your days by the love you give, even when you die, you still shall live. He said justice slow, but it always come like a distant drum. It's still a drum, stand firm, clean heart, clear mind, Jah time always